For breaking news, go to itiskitimes.co.za. It is TV powered by World Sports Betting. It is Times.co.za. Mamelodi Sundowns are in the final of the CAF Champions League. They beat Esperance de Tunis 2-0 on aggregate, 1-0 in Tunis, 1-0 in Pitori Botswana. Well done to Mamelodi Sundowns, second back-to-back finals for the club Sundowns, 3 back-to-back finals for the coach Miguel Cardoso. Well done, congratulations, all the best for the second star as you get closer and closer. You'll play a Moroccan team, wherever it is, FAR Rabat or Berkane, one of them will be in the final. FAR Rabat, of course, 2-0 up in the first leg, so that's most likely going to be Mamelodi Sundowns' opponent. Bobzit, how proud of you are your team, sir?
Yeah, Mr. Nko. Itungulise madoda.
Yes, sir.
Itungulise now, Mr. Nko.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, no, I'm very proud of Mamelodi Sundowns. I think into ebaluleke kakhulu Mr. Nke ukuba patient ukubekezela ngiyacabanga ukuthi management they understand ukuthi ukubekezela kwabo bathatha ama decision right ngesikhathi esiright ilento yenza ukuthi ekugcineni i-team itholele ama results so fobona ukuthi banikeze i-technical team isikhathi sokuthi prepare the team. I think bona bazi ukuthi why bebenza kanje. Look at now the way Sundowns abadlali beSundowns ba understand ngakhona le tournament. Ukuyidlala mhlawumbe ama season kulandelana ugain experience Mr. Nke. Even though ungayiwini ugain experience. La khona kumele uthathe chance. It's not over njengamanje for iSundowns. Kusanomsebenzi kumele bawenze kuma finals. But congratulations to Sundowns. Ngiyohlala ngisho ngithi management, technical team, players, supporters, I think they played a role ebaluleke kakhulu Mr. Nke. Look at the attendance today.
100%.
Mawungabheka from the season nje manje mayicala Sundowns supporters baya stadium and if nichubeka nenza ngalendlela leni ngama supporter you give abadlali leyo support, you give abadlali leyo momentum ukuthi bakwazi ukuthi bathatha team bayibeke kwenye level. So congratulations to
I have to compliment you as well. We spoke a lot. We have a Monday show that we do together. And there was a time where they were attacking the coach physically. And it seemed like umoya wabalandeli beSundowns behamba ngokuthi Cardoso must go. The first time I asked you, you said, allow him to finish the season. That was not, I remember receiving a couple of messages even on my WhatsApp to say why Bobo is behind this coach and so on and so forth. I don't respond to those kind of messages. And then it happened again later. You were out of 2 competitions and it was Cardoso must go. MTN 8 at Kalen, Carling knockout at Kalen, Cardoso must go. And you kept on saying, let him finish the job. Why did you believe at the time that he must finish the job?
Yeah, I think Mr. Nke it's not like mhlawumbe bengazi ukuthi ekugcineni izinto ziba kanje but njengoba ngisho ngikhuluma ngokuthi kumele ube patient Mr. Nke. Bengibheke the way Sundowns bezama ukuhlanganisa leya team futhi after losing abadlali abafana nabo Lucas Ribeiro abomshishi bakuma injuries, a lot of players bekunama injuries phakathi so lento kuhlala uchange abo coach ngapha nangapha. I don't think ukuthi ekugcineni ikunikeza because uzoletha a new coach aqalele phansi athi ngicela unikeza ama season awu2 when uhlala always unikeza abo coach ama season if they are failing we understand uhlala ubuild so for me ngiyacabanga ukuthi a coach even though kungasi Coach Cardoso abo coach badinga sibanikeza isikhathi sometimes sibona unfortunately mhlawumbe mangabe i-team ya investor ibona ngathi investor a lot but if a team ibona ngathi they can give a coach a second chance ngiyacabanga ukuthi kuyinto right and I don't blame those who are saying Cardoso must go because Mr. Nke understand ukuthi ibhola asiliboni ngekufana understanding ngokufana abanye abekho patient ngalendlela badinga ama results ayenzeke the way especially after losing i-final so for me uCardoso ufika la eAfrica unama season awu3 first season ukufika kwakhe kuEsperance udlala ama finals second season kuMamelodi Sundowns udlala ifinal why ungamnikeza i-second chance kuleyo team abuya kuma final kuyo so that mhlawumbe rectify lama mistake. Look at now he understand ukuthi now Sundowns must play piano and shine or Sundowns must play to win the game. We must grind ama results kule game le. Beka the way namhlanje ready game ngakhona when Esperance izama ukubuza umbuzo bekaphendula ngama substitute wakhe umbona ukuthi no ufuna ukuyiwina le game so ngiyacabanga ukuthi nakho lokho Mr. Nke ilento yenza ukuthi mhlawumbe ekugcineni i-team ithola ama results but wonke umuntu ekugcineni uma athanda i-badge athanda i-team South Africa vele kukhona azokusho it's not because of mhlawumbe lo muntu kukhona umuntu amzondayo no but ngendlela mhlawumbe abantu basuka bazobhlungu ngakhona
Yeah, how did you win today? How did you win this game 1-0?
Yeah, Mr. Nke uma ungabheka the way igame iqale ngakhona into engiyangichaza kakhulu ukuthi abadlali be-Sundowns ba-understand ukuthi abazama ukuminimize le creativity ye-Esperance since wena ubonile Esperance ekhaya i-create ama-chances amaningi bangakhoni ukwa-converta lawo ama-chances but today bheka i-midfield ye-Sundowns bazamile ukuthi laba abadlala kule midfield ye-Esperance bangakwazi create ama-chances for
one of the big difference in the first leg, uDaniel Bebemthola, the striker, he was peeling off and they were finding the passes to him. And I don't know whether Sundowns cut the supply, as you are saying.
Yes.
But today, he was nowhere to be found. Yes, he could have scored one goal in the first half where he hit the post, but there's nothing else he was able to do.
Exactly, Mr. Nkiru. So, ukuthi bazama ukukhatha leya supplier, kwenza ukuthi nomsebenzi ku-defense eMamelodi Sundowns ube lula. Bheka uLunga de badlale ngakhona today. You know, i-footballing enye indlela. If uLunga bekenza ama-mistake, besingasho ukuthi why uletha uLunga but umbonile last week. But today we must give uKhadoso credit. He believed kulo yamdlalo ukuthi no, I know ukuthi uLunga ugood uma kufika kuphi. So lawa ama-mistake uyabona ukuthi sometimes i-game timing affect as a player ukuthi ungasinikeza ama-results right. But defense eMamelodi Sundowns, they did very well. Wonke ama-department uma ungabheka de uyadlale ngakhona. Ngiyacabanga benze kahle kakhulu and give credit kuye uKhadoso nale technical team yakhe because i-Esperance even though beyitry ukukhuphula ama-wing back wayo ukuthi ba-add number up front but yena beka make sure ukuthi abomrena uTebza uyashifta uza kulela side la ngapha for uLunga ukuthi bam-assiste bano Matthews ukuthi ingazami ukuthi iye wide ilethela ama-cross eboxing. So kusho kona ukuthi beka i-reader leya game and bheka ama-sub wakhe. First substitute ukhipha uSales alethe uAlende ufuna ukucontrol ibhola i-game in the middle of the park and uyayidefenda ngale ndlela indlela yokudefenda ngayo uma abona ukuthi okay baletha ama-attacker be-Esperance ngibonile uma bazama uku-add ama-attacker so that bathathe le out edlale right back ne-left back ucaptain ukuthi badrop then lama-winger abo akwazi ukuthi a-add number up front urespondile ngabadlali abafana no-Johannes no-Obas ukuthi okay ithi nami ngifaka abadlali engazi ukuthi bazofika abacontrol leya game while aletha uReyners nobani no Saling. So ufuna speed, ufuna abadlali mhlamba basase fresh, bamnikeze speed ukuthi okay, we can defend mhlamba nga8 players. But uma siphuma, I know ukuthi uReyners uzaba khona uSaling ukhona. Ngespeed sizobabamba ngecounter if bafuna ukusi-attack abashiya space behind. But the way I responding akhona, ngimnikeze credit uCoach Khadoso ne-technical team yakhe Mr. Nkiru.
It becomes a complicated one for Khadoso because he's done well for himself.
Yeah.
I don't know. Of course, anyone can win between Sundowns and whoever their opponent is. Now, if he doesn't win, because normally we normally speak about this, Uguti, your mandate is the second star.
Yeah.
If he doesn't win, does he not have already credit Uguti unayo indlela yokufika kuma-final? Even if it doesn't win. I know Sundowns fans must not be thinking about not winning because they want a second star. But it has given him a lot of credit in the bank to say, even if for some reason he's unlucky and he doesn't win, it's not going to be easy just to let him go because you have a coach in him that has gone to 3 finals in a row, 3 years in a row.
Exactly, Mr. Nkiru. Uma ungabheka after 2016, it took Sundowns how many years?
9 years.
9 years ukufika kuma-finals. So if yena mhlambe ngama-season awu-2 azokwazi ukudlala ama-finals, I think ucoach odinga leso sikhathi sokuthi it might happen I-win at the end of the day because uyambona ukuthi uyathembisa as long afika kuma-final. So kuyofuna ukuthi adile ngendlela mhlawumbe asisho ukuthi Sundowns iluzile already but sesikhulumela ukuthi if uyayiluza. So ngiyacabanga ukuthi umsebenzi uyazi uKhadoso ukuthi usasomkhulu. Ukungafika I-win leya final ngiyacabanga ukuthi uyoba disappointed kakhulu Coach Khadoso but nginethemba elikhulu kakhulu ukuthi manje lama team ayobasele nawo kule final. I think kuyoba lula for yena. Umsebenzi kumele ukuthi ube mkhulu but yena kungaba lula because ama team ngicabanga ukuthi amnikeza iproblem. Uyakwazi ukwa-eliminate Mr. Nkiru. Bheka njengamanje lo muntu sisafika kuma semi-finals always ubitha ama team nga 1-0 home 1-0 away. Khumbula ukuthi masase ku-Esperance ubitha Sundowns 1-0 home and away. Na last season ubitha Esperance if I'm not mistaken 1-0
Al-Ahly in the semi-finals.
Ku-semi-finals but ku-Esperance uma ikhipha
quarter final
1-0. We understand. So ngiyacabanga Mr. Nkiru ukuthi une chance kakhulu but umsebenzi mkhulu ukuthi Sundowns kumele iphakamise le yandebe Mr. Nkiru kumele ukuthi baye extra mile njengamanje laba sebenze khona bakwazi ukuthi asibuyele emuva siyobuilda futhi. Let's win i-CAF Champions League, then sikwazi ukuthi uma sibuya sicalela kuphi. So mara ngiyabanikeza Mr Nkewu i-credit, but Esperance ubonile ukuthi Mr Nkewu uma ngabakorela kuqala ekhaya kuba i-problem for bona, because uma babuya ngapha kumele ukuthi bavule i-ground bakwazi ukudlala. Uyabona ngabe ukuthi mhlambe babuya ekhaya nge-1-0 ngabe sibona i-time wasting baloku balala e-groundini, but it's good ukuthi bakorele ekhaya, so give credit to Sundowns.
All right, nice one. Thank you very much, Bobsit. Well done to Mamelodi Sundowns. Yet another final of the CAF Champions League. Will they be permanent bridesmaids, or finally will they win the second star? We shall find out. It will be the 15th and the 24th of May. So in the middle of May and towards the end of May, it will be the first and the second leg of the final. It is Good Times. Was suspecting.
Hola Bafethu, this is Junior Kanye. Please subscribe to Itiski TV.
This is Bongane Benedict Villagazi, they call me so. Niyazi bafethu, Amakhosi for life, they are back in winning ways. Please, siyacela ukuthi subscribe Itiski TV.